Magandang umaga, good morning, and bayat ayapak kayo. We're here now at Morong Bataan, together with the guys. This is the guys.
Say hi!
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Ayan. Together with me, of course, my fetus friend. Hello, my fetus friend. How are you today? Do you feel under pressure right now? At ngayon, we're going to Ducks Way. You know Ducks Way? Malalaking halon na kung saan na ako ay pupunta at magsispil. Watch and learn.
Mayaki!
Mayakin!
Okay, thank you mo for commercial, bilis. Interview.
You see what happened? It's very wavy.
Interview.
Kuya, ano po tinitinda nyo? Live na live po tayo sa Animal Planet. Cable, ha?
Interview.
Kuya, ano po tinitinda nyo? Ice buko. Magkano po? 15? Anong mga flavor? Ha? Ha? Ano po pangalan nyo? Ilan taon na po kayo nasa po nasa media? Ilan taon na po kayo nagtitinda dito? 5 years. May balak pa mag 6 years? That's all, folks!